Okay, hello everyone. Now time to review Makita product again. This is the Makita cordless lawnmower battery 18 volt 4 piece. I mean, this product is famous in Europe, and I really love Makita because Makita have many functions for the user. And this model of this product is DLM530. Yes, this is the nameplate of the Makita. Makita DLM530 has the cutting blade diameter 534 mm. Okay, we see inside. Yeah, inside this is the slot. We have two slots, number 1 and number 2. Yeah, two slot of. Two slot of the battery. But this one is used battery 4 piece. Okay, you see. Okay, I review all. I want you to know about this product. Okay, for this product is the steel deck. Yeah, the steel deck, and this is the logo. Yes, logo of Makita. It's premium. And then this is the handle. You see the handle. The handle is a heavy duty handle. Okay, and then on the handle we have battery gauge. Yes, battery gauge. This is 2 more speed, and then this is main speed. Okay, we see all. And then on the top of the battery we see BL motor. Yes, mean that this product, DLM530 is the used battery and the brushless motor. Okay, and then I have four battery 6 ampere. Okay, 18 volt. This is 1 2 3 4. Now I insert to this product. Okay. Okay, and we see now. Okay, this is for 2 slot of the battery, and we use 4 battery. Yes, and have the number 1, number 2. This is switch. This is switch. We change the slot to use the battery, and then this is the lock. Yeah, okay, automatic lock, and then we open. We see this is child lock key. Yeah, child lock key is important for the user when we keep at the store and we are afraid the child use this model, use this product. So we have this one. If we keep in the store, we need to take it out. Okay, and then this is the bag to keep the grass after cutting, and for the capacity 60 liters. And then this one rear side discharge. Okay, side discharge you can take out. Okay, see together. This is side discharge. Okay, take out, close, and insert it. Okay, this is side discharge. And then this is the adjust height of cutting grass. Yes, for this model have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 level, and all 10 level around from 20 mm to 100 mm of height of the cutting grass. Yes, and then we see this bag. This is yes. If you take out, okay. If you take out, this is a cutting, and this is moisture. Okay. When we take out, insert this one. Yeah, this is function collecting. Okay. Okay, this is the cover to keep the grass moistening. Okay. And then we see battery gauge. Okay, all the batteries level, level 1 all. This is safety lock. Before we using, yes, we cannot using without pushing the safety lock. Okay, when we push, okay. And then we see the blade of this product. Okay, this is the blade. We see so big. We can cut big lawn, yards. Okay. Okay, nice. And this product also durability. Deck, yeah, deck. This is a steel, so when touching with the obstacle, for example, stone, wood, and hard grass, and the water, mop. Okay. Okay, and for a rear we can cut with the battery 6 ampere. Yes, 6 ampere for piece. This is 6 ampere for piece. We can cut around 2,300 meters square. Okay, so big. And this product also have technology HPT, resistant of the dust and water. Okay, nice. Okay. And then we see this logo on the nameplate. This is a main soft start. Soft start means that this motor start from rotation speed is slow to high, and then this is the constant speed. When we cutting the grass is thin, hard, is normal speed. Mean that it maintain the speed, prevent the motor broken. Okay. And then this is this is the no load speed, 2,300 per minute and 2,800 per minute. Okay, because this is half 2 speed. This is 2 speed button. Okay, this is main switch, 2 speed mode, and battery gauge. Okay, this is, yes, indicator, grass indicator. Okay. Okay, for this product, if you have any question, please comment below. I will answer you. And then We will see you next video.